There continues to be rumblings Japan is lifting its beef import restrictions on U.S. beef. A local news source says the changes will be in place within the first half of next year. Japan put age restrictions on U.S. beef back in 2005 after a BSE scare. Those rules only allow for the import of beef from cattle aged 20 months or younger. It's expected the country will raise that age to 30 months following a drop in national production after this year's tsunami and nuclear crisis. Experts say the move could reignite exports to Japan, which have suffered since 2003. Expectations out of Japan is keeping cattle prices solid this week. Live cattle contracts traded above 122 Wednesday as the December contract continues to climb. It's getting closer to the all-time for a front month contract, all-time high, a record set just a few weeks ago at 123. Cash cattle prices are also strong. Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas sales are hovering around 119 per pound, while Colorado and Nebraska were slightly higher at 121 to 125. Prices in trade, I'm sure, will be a big topic at the 2012 Cattle Industry Annual Convention and NCBA Trade Show. Registration for next year's event just opened. The 114th Annual Convention is slated for February 1st through the 4th in Nashville, Tennessee. Registration can be found at beefusa.org. People transporter Amtrak says its venture into the cattle business has been a flying success. The company has been trying a cattle-based biodiesel in its Heartland Flyer train on runs from Texas to Oklahoma. Amtrak got a grant to try the biodiesel, which is made of diesel fuel and beef tallow, a derivative of cow fat. Leaders say if the biofuel continues to prove efficient and economical, Amtrak will likely begin fueling all locomotives with the mixture. And you can get many more updates on the beef industry, including market and production information from our partners at beeftoday.com.